Welcome to TeamingPro. Here's a quick overview on how to use the TeamingPro Local Boost to grow your B2B or federal contracting business. TeamingPro is a large and growing network of federal contracting companies communicating with each other through our AUTOCONNECT teaming feature. Each AUTOCONNECT page represents a job or opportunity that members are matched and invited to click into. Each AUTOCONNECT has a local boost area to promote a company's brand and message. Here's how it works. Let's say a tech services company located in Atlanta, Georgia, clicks into an AUTOCONNECT. From here, we will display local boosts filtered for this industry type and location. Local boosts are a simple image with a tagline representing your brand and single call to action. Placement of local boosts will be driven by your bid click price, with the highest bid at top. Please note, priority placement is given to bulk clicks. As clicks come in, you'll see the results of each local boost campaign on your local boost dashboard, with options to track and communicate further. Thanks for watching.